In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Zoom. Zoom has become an essential tool for online communication, whether it's business meetings, virtual classes, or catching up with friends and family. It's simple to set up, and most importantly, it's free. So let's get started on how you can create your own Zoom account in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoom website by typing in zoom.us in the address bar. This will take you to Zoom's homepage, where you can begin the sign-up process. Once you're there, you'll notice a button that says Sign Up, It's Free, and that's exactly what you want to click on. Zoom offers a basic free account which is perfect for personal use, and it's an awesome way to get started without any upfront commitment. Now, you'll see several options to sign up. You can either enter your email address directly into the provided field, or choose to sign up using an existing account with Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you're looking for ease and speed, signing up through one of these services can save you some time, particularly if you already use them frequently. However, if you prefer to keep things separate, feel free to go with the email option. Whichever method you choose is entirely up to your personal preference. After you've entered your email or selected another option, it's time to verify your email address. This step is crucial as it confirms that the email you've provided is valid and accessible. Head over to your email inbox and be on the lookout for an email from Zoom. If you don't see it right away, do check your spam or junk folder just in case. The email contains a verification link, which you'll need to click to move forward. Clicking this link will take you back to Zoom's site, confirming that your email address is legit. Once you're back on Zoom's website, you simply need to click the Continue button. And just like that, your Zoom account is set up and ready to use. You're now part of the Zoom community and can start scheduling meetings, inviting friends, and exploring the platform's features. Creating an account on Zoom is a swift and straightforward process that provides you with access to a powerful communication tool. Whether your goal is to connect for personal reasons, educational purposes, or professional meetings, Zoom makes it easy and convenient. So go ahead, explore the possibilities, and enjoy your new Zoom account. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and happy Zooming!